Hello and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might help you in one way or the other. Today we're gonna be looking at on how to use BCC in Outlook. Now we're gonna come to our Outlook and select on New Message. Once we select on that, we can see on the right side, on this right side of where your email address is, there's this tab called BCC. We're gonna press on that, and if you want, you can add a CC. Now I don't have an email, so I won't be able to. I'm not gonna be putting anything in here, but that's how you can add a BCC, CC, and so forth. And if you don't want this message anymore, you've got this discard right here, and you can also select a timer to send it later. It all depends on how you want the email to go and when you want it to go. Now, I don't have anyone to send this email. I can either discard it from here or discard it from top here, or I can save it as a draft. Now, I don't want to do either. I just want to delete it. So I'm going to press on discard, and that's it. So, if you like this video, drop a like. And if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.